You're getting 8 hours of sleep. You're eating well. You're drinking your water. And yet, the moment your alarm goes off in the dark, your body feels like it's made of lead. You drag yourself to the car or onto the tram to Kirchberg, and by 2 p.m., you're completely depleted. You probably tell yourself it's just the stress of work, or that you're just not a morning person. You might even feel a little guilty, wondering why you can't just push through like everyone else seems to be doing. But what if your exhaustion isn't a character flaw? What if it isn't a mindset problem at all? There is a quiet, invisible drain on your energy, a biological missing piece that affects almost everyone living in our beautiful but very cloudy part of the world. Moien, and welcome back to Healthy Moien. If we haven't met yet, I'm so glad you're here. On this channel, we explore the science of how our bodies actually work, so we can stop fighting ourselves and start feeling vibrant again. Today, we are talking about the winter blues and the single scientifically backed nutrient that might be standing between you and your energy. Let's be honest about life in Luxembourg. From November to March, it is a very specific kind of marathon. You leave for the office and it's pitch black outside. You spend your entire day under the artificial glare of office lights, and by the time you head home, the sun has already set. We normalize this heavy, lethargic feeling. We joke about the grey skies of the Grand Duchy. We tell ourselves to just drink another coffee and push through until spring. But internally, your body is incredibly confused. It is searching for a signal that never comes. And when it doesn't get that signal, your mood dips, your energy crashes, and your brain fog rolls in like the morning mist over the Alzette. You aren't just tired. You are likely experiencing a severe drop in a nutrient that your body desperately needs to function. Now, before we dive into the science, a quick reminder, I am not a doctor, and I'm just sharing research-based insights. Always check with your healthcare provider before making changes to your routine. So, what is this missing piece? It's vitamin D, but here is where most people get it wrong. Vitamin D isn't actually a vitamin at all. It is a pro-hormone. Think of your body like a highly advanced, complex smart home. You have different systems for your mood, your energy, your immune system, and your sleep. Vitamin D acts like the master electrical grid for that house. When vitamin D is low, the power grid dims. Your cells literally cannot produce energy as efficiently, and specifically, vitamin D is deeply connected to your serotonin, your feel-good neurotransmitter. Without enough light hitting your skin to naturally synthesize vitamin D, your serotonin levels drop, leaving you feeling flat, anxious, or unmotivated. This is the shift I want you to make today. When you feel that deep winter exhaustion, stop blaming yourself. Stop thinking you just need more discipline, or another productivity app, or that you're failing at balancing your life. Your body is responding perfectly to its environment. It is trying to run a high-tech smart home on a depleted batteries. Recognizing this is powerful because it means your fatigue isn't in your head. It's in your biology. And biology is something we can gently support. So, how do we support our bodies through the grey months? Here are 3 simple, actionable steps. Number 1, chase the morning light. Even on the cloudiest Luxembourg morning, natural light is infinitely more powerful than your indoor lighting. Within the first hour of waking up, step outside, even if it's just for 5 minutes on your balcony with your coffee. Getting that natural light into your eyes signals your brain that it's daytime, helping to regulate your circadian rhythm. Number 2, consider smart supplementation. Since we simply cannot get enough sun here in the winter to produce adequate vitamin D, supplementation is often necessary. Speak to your doctor about getting your levels tested. and ask them about pairing vitamin D3 with vitamin K2, which helps direct the calcium to your bones where it belongs. Number 3, nourish with vitamin D-rich foods. Add foods to your weekly routine that naturally support your levels. Think high-quality fatty fish, like salmon, pasture-raised eggs, and certain mushrooms. It's a gentle, natural way to support your body's reserves. You don't have to spend half the year feeling like you're running on empty. By understanding what your body needs, you can give it the support to feel vibrant, even on the greyest days. If this resonated with you, I'd love for you to subscribe and join our community. Next week, we're going to talk about why your afternoon cravings are actually a blood sugar issue and how to fix them without giving up your favorite foods. Take care of yourselves. Stay warm and Eddie.